Herbs and plants have been used for their medicinal properties for centuries. Extracting these properties requires specific methods to ensure the highest efficacy and potency. Here are some of the primary techniques used, their effectiveness, and examples of herbs and plants that benefit most from each method. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare provider that is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Infusion. Infusion is a method similar to making tea, where hot water is poured over the plant material and allowed to steep. Note that while the terms tea and infusion are used interchangeably, it is argued among herbalists that a tea is only correct when the liquid that contains the tea plant, Camellia sinensis. Camellia sinensis is the primary plant for actual tea, and depending on when it is harvested, creates green, black, white, and oolong tea. Most herbal infusions don't contain the tea plant in the recipe, so infusion is the more correct term. This technique is suitable for extracting volatile oils and other easily soluble compounds. Effectiveness. Infusions are most effective for delicate plant parts like leaves and flowers that release their medicinal properties quickly. Some examples include chamomile, often infused to treat anxiety and digestive issues. Peppermint, used in infusions to alleviate indigestion and respiratory problems. Decoction. Decoction involves boiling tougher plant materials like roots, bark, and seeds for an extended period to extract their medicinal properties. Effectiveness. This method is highly effective for extracting compounds from hard and woody parts of plants that require more time to release their active ingredients. Some examples include ginger root, boiled to make a decoction for treating nausea and inflammation. Licorice root, used in decoctions for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Double decoctions. In some cases, a single decoction is insufficient to extract all the beneficial compounds from certain herbs and plants, especially those with very tough or dense parts. This is where double decoctions come in. A double decoction involves boiling the plant material twice, which can help extract more of the potent medicinal compounds that a single boiling might miss. Effectiveness. This method is primarily for extracting different types of compounds found in the same plant, but deeply embedded. It also enhances potency and collects different compounds that are released at different rates. Some examples include astragalus root. Known for its immune-boosting properties, a double decoction helps extract its polysaccharides and saponins. Reishi mushroom. This medicinal mushroom is tough and woody. Using the double decoction method allows for the release of its triterpenes and polysaccharides, both of which are known for their immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory effects. Tincture. Tinctures are concentrated herbal extracts made by soaking plant material in alcohol or glycerin, or a mixture of alcohol and water. This method extracts a broad spectrum of plant compounds and preserves them for a long time. Effectiveness. Tinctures are highly effective for extracting both water-soluble and alcohol-soluble compounds, making them potent and long-lasting. Some examples include echinacea, commonly used in tincture form to boost the immune system and fight infections. St. John's wort, extracted as a tincture to treat depression and nerve pain. Maceration. Maceration involves soaking plant materials in a solvent, water, oil, or alcohol, at room temperature for an extended period, allowing the compounds to leach out. Effectiveness. This method is effective for extracting sensitive compounds that might be destroyed by heat. Some examples include calendula, often macerated in oil to create a soothing topical treatment for skin conditions. Lavender, macerated in oil for use in aromatherapy and skincare products. Cold pressing. Cold pressing is used primarily for extracting oils from citrus peels and seeds. The process involves mechanically pressing the plant material without using heat. Effectiveness. Cold pressing is effective for extracting pure, unaltered essential oils that retain their natural properties. Some examples include orange peel, cold pressed to extract essential oil used in aromatherapy and as an anti-inflammatory agent. Flaxseed, cold pressed to produce oil rich in omega-3 fatty acids, beneficial for heart health. Steam distillation. Steam distillation involves passing steam through plant material to vaporize volatile compounds. These vapors are then condensed back into liquid form, separating the essential oils from the water. Effectiveness. This method is highly effective for extracting essential oils from aromatic plants. Some examples include rosemary, distilled to produce essential oil used for its stimulating and anti-inflammatory properties. Eucalyptus, steam distilled to extract oil used for respiratory relief and as an antiseptic. Percolation. Percolation involves continuously passing a solvent through plant material to extract its compounds. This method is faster than maceration and can yield potent extracts. Effectiveness. Effective for quickly extracting compounds from dried herbs. Some examples include golden seal, percolated to produce extracts used for their antimicrobial properties. Valerian root, used in percolation to create extracts that aid in sleep and reduce anxiety. Combining extraction methods. Sometimes a single extraction method is not sufficient to fully capture all the beneficial compounds within an herb or plant. In such cases, combining extraction methods can provide a more complete and potent remedy. For example, a process that involves tincturing first and then performing a water decoction can be particularly effective. Tincturing with alcohol initially extracts alcohol-soluble compounds, such as certain alkaloids and flavonoids. Following this with a water decoction ensures that water-soluble compounds, such as polysaccharides and certain vitamins, are also extracted. This two-step process allows for a broader spectrum of medicinal constituents to be captured, offering a more comprehensive therapeutic profile. Some examples include turmeric, initially tinctured to extract curcuminoids, alcohol-soluble, and then decocted to extract polysaccharides, water-soluble, creating a powerful anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting remedy. Elderberry, tinctured to capture its flavonoids and then decocted to extract its polysaccharides and vitamins, resulting in a more effective immune support preparation. Choosing the right method for extracting medicinal properties from herbs and plants depends on the specific compounds targeted and the plant parts used. Infusions and decoctions are simple and effective for everyday use, while tinctures and macerations offer more concentrated forms. Cold pressing and steam distillation are specialized methods for essential oils, and percolation provides a quick way to obtain potent extracts. By understanding these methods, you can make informed choices to harness the full medicinal potential of herbs and plants.